Cybersecurity and IT forensics are crucial topics in today's digital world. With this course, Cybersecurity and IT Forensics, from beginner to expert, I aim to provide you with solid knowledge and practical tools to confidently secure and analyze digital traces. Step by step, we'll navigate through exciting chapters together. We begin with cybercrime, where we explore digital offenses such as hacking, malware, and online fraud. Next, in IT Forensics Fundamentals, you'll learn how to properly secure and analyze digital evidence in a legally sound manner. The File System Forensics chapter covers structures like NTFS, FAT32, and APFS, including hexed-up analysis to uncover hidden traces. Operating System Forensics focuses on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, teaching you how to analyze artifacts like registry data and log files. Another key chapter dives into encryption techniques, covering BitLocker, File Vault, and attacks like cold boot attacks. Finally, we move into hands-on practice. Forensic Tools introduces Autopsy and FDK Imager, showing how to analyze forensic images and discover artifacts. This course is highly practical and equips you with everything needed to understand and apply IT security and forensics. Let's get started. I look forward to learning with you.